In today's video, I will walk you through how to view and hide last seen on Telegram. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along. And let's get started. To get started, open Telegram and go to the Settings menu. From there, find the Privacy and Security section. This is where Telegram keeps the settings related to your last seen status and other privacy options. Look for the Last Seen and Online setting and open it. Here, you can choose who was allowed to see when you were last online. If you want to hide your last seen information, select Nobody. This prevents other users from seeing your exact last seen time. You can also choose My Contacts if you only want people saved in your contacts to see your last seen information. After selecting your preferred option, Telegram will apply the privacy setting. You don't need to manually remove the Last Seen Recently status from your profile. There's another option you can use if you want more control. Telegram allows you to add exceptions, so you can choose specific users who can always see your last seen information, or specific users who should never see it. And that's how to see and remove the Last Seen Recently status in Telegram Desktop by adjusting your privacy settings. Please like and subscribe if this tutorial helped you, and stay tuned for more simple Telegram tips and tutorials.